Hello everyone. In previous class, we have discussed about the evaporation and factor affecting evaporation. So evaporation is the process in which the liquid changes to the gaseous phase and moves from the surface, either from water surface or from the soil moisture to the atmosphere in a gaseous phase. In today's class, we will discuss about the estimation of evaporation. How do we estimate the evaporation? So there are three methods to estimate the evaporation. First one is the evaporimeters. Second one is the empirical methods, and third one is the analytical methods. So in today's class, we will discuss about the evaporimeter, and in next class we will discuss about other analytical and empirical methods. So what is evaporimeter? Evaporimeters are the water containers which are placed on the ground surface or sometimes buried into the ground surface or placed into the water bodies to estimate the water losses through the evaporation. So there are four types of evaporimeters are available. First one is the class A pan evaporimeter. Second one is the ISI standard pan evaporimeter, or known as the modified class A pan evaporimeter. Third one is the Colorado Shankan pan evaporimeter, and US Geological Survey floating pan. So these are the four types of evaporimeter. So first we discuss about the class A pan evaporimeter. The class A pan evaporimeter, it consists of a galvanized iron, and the dia of the pan is 121 centimeter. The height is 25.5 centimeter. And this galvanized pan is placed over the wooden platform, and the height of wooden platform is 15 centimeter. This wooden platform is provided for the circulation of air. Here will be a stilling basin. This is the pan. This one is the wooden stand. This one is the stilling well, and inside the stilling well we provide a hook gauge to measure the level of water. In the pan, always maintain 16 to 18 centimeter of water, and the coefficient for this class A pan evaporimeter is 0.7. Later we will discuss what is the pan coefficient. Then next one is the ISI standard pan evaporimeter, or modified class A evaporimeter. The dia of the container is 122 centimeter. The depth is same as the class A pan evaporimeter, which was the 25.5 centimeter, and this is placed over the wooden platform, and the depth of wooden platform will be 10 centimeter, and There is a hexagonal net provided over the pan to cover the pan so that water in the pan can be prevented by the birds or other activities, and it also helps in maintaining the temperature during day and night. And here will be a hook gauge which is used to get the readings of water loss. The coefficient of ISI standard class A pan evaporimeter is 0.8. Then next one is the Colorado sunken pan evaporimeter. Class A pan evaporimeter and ISI standard pan evaporimeters were almost same. However, these Colorado sunken pan and USGS floating pan are different. Colorado sunken pan, it is a square shape pan having 92 centimeter width and 46 centimeter depth. This will be buried into the ground surface. So 36 centimeter will be below the earth surface and 10 centimeter of the pan will be above the surface. Now this Colorado sunken pan consider our aerodynamic properties as well as the radiation parameter. Since it's buried in the earth surface, so earth surface में यदि buried है ये, तो इस केस में ये अर्थ सरफेस में जिस तरह से फेनोमेना चल रहा है, जिस तरह से रेडिएशन एनर्जीज हैं, टेम्परेचर है, उन सबको कंसीडर करता है. सो जो कोलोराडो संकन पैन है, इसका मेन एडवांटेज है दैट कि इसका में एरोडायनामिक एज वेल एज रेडिएशन एनर्जी जो है उसका इम्पैक्ट भी कंसीडर होता है. एंड द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दिस कोलोराडो संकन पैन इज if there is any leakage in this pan, then it's very tough to identify where is a leakage or any problem. And the evaporation coefficient for the Colorado sunken pan is 0.78. This one is the USGS floating pan evaporimeter. So this is the square shape evaporimeter. Width is 90 centimeter. And height is 45 centimeter. And this pen is placed into the large water bodies. And large water bodies में place करने के बाद में इसमें कुछ 10 सेंटीमीटर का ऊपर मार्जिन दिया जाता है और वाटर लेवल फिल्ड रहता है. लाइक ये लेक और वाटर बॉडी का वाटर लेवल है. And this is the pen. So both water level remain same and इसमें 10 सेंटीमीटर रिम प्रोवाइड की जाती है सो दैट किसी भी तरह का वेव एक्शन या विंड का इम्पैक्ट ना आए एंड जो रीडिंग्स है वो हमारी मोर प्रिसाइज हो. कोफिशिएंट फॉर द USGS फ्लोटिंग पैन इज 0.8. So this is about the evaporimeter and type of evaporimeters. So what is evaporation coefficient? Actually, whenever we take readings of evaporation using any evaporimeter, in that case, since these pans are made of some metal and our actual condition like our land or the water bodies having different heat storage, heat transfer capacity, and there are several factors which affects the evaporation which are not considered in the evaporimeters. So to get the accurate or more precise evaporation readings, we multiply the respective coefficient with the readings or observations which we have taken from this evaporimeter, and the actual evaporation or a lake evaporation is equals to. So this is all about evaporimeters and coefficient. So Thank you so much.